Alright guys, here we go. This thing is a little bit beefier than I expected. And just for size comparison, that's nice. Can't wait to get this thing put together, put up in the air. And what's really weird is this doesn't use clamps. It appears that it uses, get out of this light, sheet metal screws to hold it in place in these different little positions. And the very tip has a set screw in it. The ground radials are the same way. Set screw and held in by set screw on the end of the base. So I'm going to have to go grab a thing of blue Loctite. I'm not real impressed with the SO239 connector though. You figure that they would have put a better Teflon inserted SO239 in there, but hey, for 90 shipped, what do you expect? I'm going to go get some blue Loctite later, and once I get a tower or a better pole, we will do a setup video of this. Till then, guys, I'll post these on YouTube.